The last thing we're going to speak about is tracking social media. So we're going to go over how and what you can track in social media. So you want to check, are your users socially engaged? Well, the way to do that is underneath the Audience tab, there is a menu for social. So what you're going to do is click on Engagement. Now this engagement is not exactly what you think. It's not whether your users have a Twitter account, a Facebook account, whether they're on LinkedIn. It's whether they actually make a social action with your site. So as you can see on the bottom, there's some base coding that would go on your social media icons. And this is a list of the social media icons that MoreVisibility has on their page. As you can see, we have Google+, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. These icons are coded with the base coding underneath, and we'll go through and see what else you can track. As you can see under engagement, you have not socially engaged, which Google will give you. But if your users are using social media and interact with your site, you'll get socially engaged. If your icons are coded correctly, you will see your users are socially engaged. If you look up at the top, we have a screenshot of one of our blog posts. And as you see, there's an arrow towards the Twitter button that says tweet this. So if these icons are coded correctly, when someone clicks the tweet this button, then you will get a visit hit under socially engaged. But if you also look down at the bottom, you'll see that we had 95 visits, but these socially engaged users are going through more pages of the site and staying on a lot longer. So besides being socially engaged, they're also engaged in your site. So once you have your buttons and icons coded, and you can see this in your Actions tab. So as you can see on the left, we have Facebook, Twitter, Google, YouTube, LinkedIn, Google, and add this. Now, as you see, we're using View. This is a label. You can take this label and name it anything that you wish. It doesn't have to be View. It could be Join. It could be Friends. Whatever makes sense to you to label it, that's what you'll label it. But then you see that we have 34, but these numbers are just telling you that we had 34 Facebook views, meaning 34 people viewed our Facebook page. Well, you can also track more than views. You can track tweets on Twitter, likes, dislikes, shares and sends with Facebook, +1s with Google+, and shares on LinkedIn, pin it with Pinterest. So depending on the social media channels you're using, there is a way to track it. But besides the base coding, there is more coding that needs to be done on your Twitter buttons, your Facebook buttons, and Google has a wonderful demo and coding process for those, so you can actually measure those social media actions as well.
If you would like more information on this topic, please call us at 561-620-9682 or email us at info@morevisibility.com.